SEMA 2024, first Tesla Cybertruck I've seen. This one is done by Predator Pursuit of Performance Tires. So I guess they're sponsoring this particular vehicle. Force Off-Road, that's what it says on the top right there. Quick walk around. Nice set tires right there. I wonder if they did. I'm not quite sure if they did anything different with the suspension here. I'm not really that familiar with these vehicles myself. Cyber Beast. This particular vehicle is a very decisive vehicle. It's like cilantro. Some people like it, some people don't. It is the future, though. I can see everybody eventually going battery. But that paint job is nice. Tesla Cybertruck, the Cyber Beast. First Tesla I've seen today. SEMA 2024.